stress.
At home. 1. Where are you?
I'm in the living room.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the room.
Where's the cat?
She is playing in the yard.
Where's John?
He's playing with cat.
At home. 2. Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I'm making lunch.
Where's John?
He is watching TV.
Where's the dog?
He is sleeping in the dining room.
Color. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need a pair of jeans and a shirt.
What color jeans do you want?
I want blue jeans.
What color shirt do you want?
I want a red shirt.
Is this okay for you?
Yes, this is okay for me.
Why do you want blue jeans?
Because I like the blue color.
Why do you like blue color?
Because blue color looks good on me.
Okay, that's nice.
Thank you.
Location 1.
Where's Chase Bank?
It's right next to the post office.
Is it far from the post office?
No, it's right across from it.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk.
Do I need to take a bus?
No, you don't need a bus.
How can I get there?
You can just walk there. Location 2. Excuse me, where is the nearest salon?
Go straight and turn left. The salon is there.
Is it far?
No, it is about 10 minutes on foot.
Should I walk or take a taxi?
You can walk. The weather is nice.
What is the address of salon?
It is 245 Main Street.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your haircut.